Okay, so we're live. Yeah, right. Hello and welcome to my live stream once again. I am Michael Coates. I'm the founder and creator of a website called thesewingguru.com, which helps you learn to sew and tailor. And it really is a great website, hence that's why I love talking about it. Now, we do have some great offers and some free giveaways as well. Now, as you know, we're into December now, and it is nearly Christmas. Now, I'm going to show you something here, and we will get back to this in a moment. I'm just going to flick to the internet. Now, look at that. Our offer is snowing. See that? And we have an amazing offer at the moment. You can join the Sewing Guru for a year for $29.99. That's all it is. Now, I will get back to that offer in a moment because I will tell you how you can get that offer. And it is totally legitimate. It is 12 months access to the Sewing Guru for $29.99. Now, that is like the cheapest we've ever done. We had a large discussion about this, and because everybody's had a really hard year, we thought, okay, what we'll do is we'll try and give something back, and we'll offer the Sewing Guru for just $30, just under that, for an entire 12 months. And it's a recurring membership, so if you want to keep it at that, you can. So I'll tell you in a moment how you can actually get that deal. But first of all, we're also going to be giving away this. Now, this here is a book full of sewing tips. Now, if I can get it into without the light so that you can see it. There we go. Exclusive sewing e-tips created by the Sewing Guru. So this here is totally exclusive to the Sewing Guru. Okay? It's... Oh, I'll just come over the side. It's just lots and lots of downloadable e-tips, and they're free. Now, you can get these in the description of the link. There's a link, and if you click the link, you will be able to get these e-tips free. So I'm going to show you how to get this. And go back to the internet. Now, so here we are. So when you click the link, this is what you see. Okay, there's a picture of me, and gain the complete set of free sewing e-tips. All you need to do is click there, click to start, and you will be confronted with this form. It's dead easy. Just fill out your first name, your email address, choose your username, choose your password. Just answer this very easy maths question there. 150 plus 150 is 300. And you put that in there. You click I'm not a robot, and then you click next. And what will happen is you will have been signed in, and you will be able to download the e-tips 100% free. That's it. There's no money involved. All it is, you fill out that form, and you will then have access to your e-tips. And you will then enter your own little portal. Once you put your username and your password in, you'll enter your little portal. And it's your own Sewing Guru portal. And you can change your username and passwords once you're in there. But you can download your free e-tips from there. And it's 100% free. Now, also, as well, I did mention about this deal. We'll go back to the internet. There we go. Now look at that, right? Now this is a genuine offer. We've got a timer going still here. Look at that. We've got 16 hours to go with this. It's genuine. So if you click here, buy now, you will hear $29.99, 12 months recurring membership. And you will have access to the Sewing Guru for 12 months, which is an entire year, of course. Now, as you can see here, when you scroll down this page, it gives you all of the things that you have access to. It is a huge website, and it's well worth going. Now, you can't argue with that, can you? $29.99. So, to get this offer, because I did say that I was going to show you how to get this. To get this offer, all you need to do is join for a free membership on the website. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the website. Now, to get to here, all you need to do is type into Google the Sewing Guru. click the link to Sewing Guru and it will bring you to the home page. And then to get the free membership, all you do is click here, free membership. Now this works on all devices. So if I click like this, I'm going to make the website smaller. If I move it across, you see that? It still says here free membership. This is what it looks like on a mobile device. So it's still there, it's still the same. Click free membership like that. And again, this form pops up. Free membership sign up form. Put your name in, email address, choose your username, choose your password, answer that question there. It's randomized all the time. They're very, very simple questions. Click the anti-spam, press next, and then you will have got a free membership. Now, once you get your free membership, you'll have access to about 22 free videos within the Sewing Guru. It's all free, and we're not talking little videos of like 5 minutes long. No, we're talking about videos which can be 1 hour long. Some of them are 50 minutes, others are half an hour, but you get a lot of content 100% free. Now, if you want to, you can go for both things. You can go for the free membership and you can also go for your e-tips as well. And once you go into your own little Sewing Guru panel or portal, where you can change your username and your password, you'll also have then been added your free membership, but also you've been added your sewing e-tips as well. So you can just access that whenever you like, and you know, it is there all the time, and it's all 100% free. Now, also as well, when you have got a free membership, we've got your email, and what we'll do is we'll email you that deal. We'll email you that offer. Okay? It's as simple as that. So easy, and it's as simple as that. So if you want to take advantage of that 12 months into, you know, I'll just go back to the internet. 12 months access to the Sewing Guru. Look at that. I mean, it really is great. Look at these mice. They are happy. They're dancing and they're happy. They're swinging from the Christmas bells, look, and they're very, very happy. And I would be too, because this is a no-brainer of a deal. $29.99 for 12 months access. And you have access to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of sewing videos. You have access to the entire Sewing Guru website. Every video in there, every pattern that we've got, you get the entire free, you get all of the sewing e-tips, you get them all, and it's all there, and it like I say, it's a no-brainer. So basically, get yourself there and subscribe for a free membership, and then we will send you the offer. But like I said before, if you want these free e-tips, just register for the free e-tips through the form, and you will have these as a downloadable PDF file. And, you know, it's free, so go for it. And it's a great thing. So I hope everybody is staying safe, because this dreaded virus is still hanging around. It's horrendous, and it's still there. So, you know, be safe, and just enjoy the Christmas holidays. You know, because it's coming up to Christmas again, and I love Christmas time, I really do. And they will be putting the snow and everything on the website to make it look very, very festive, and it's going to look brilliant, and I can't wait for all that. I love Christmas time, I really do. And the whole thing is just very festive, and it takes your mind off all of the mad things happening around the world at the moment. The coronavirus, what a nightmare that actually is. It's just a nightmare. And it's still lingering, isn't it? It's still there. It's a nightmare. But I just thought I'd come on and I would tell you about the freebies and also of how to get that amazing offer. So don't miss out, guys, because it's not going to be there forever. There's a countdown timer going. We may renew it a couple of times, but once it's gone, it's gone. That's it. You know, and it's the lowest offer we've ever done. It is the lowest amount, because you get a massive 79% off the main price. And the beauty about this offer is that it's a recurring membership at that price, $29.99. So if you decide to keep it on, your membership stays at $29.99 year in, year out, year in, year out. It doesn't change. It is not going to change. It will stay at that price. So it's such a great offer to take advantage of. It really is. And I tell you, you won't be disappointed, because the Sewing Guru is the leading sewing learning tool on the internet. There's no other tool like it, and it really is a fantastic tool to learn sewing and tailoring, crafting, machine embroidery, show you how to make pet wear coats for dogs, and everything. It's all there. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in another video very soon, and hopefully we'll see Ollie as well, because he'll be about. At the moment, he's just been from school and he's a bit tired, so we will hopefully see him very soon again and help me out on live streams. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.